Okay, good morning. There are different means of transport. For all types of transport, they require money for the construction of its ways. But waterways do not require any money for the construction nor for its maintenance. That is why it is called the cheapest means of transport in the world. Some rivers are used for transportation before they reach ocean. Such rivers are called inland waterways. In the beginning, man used a piece of wood, a log of wood for transportation. One piece cannot give him much balance. So he tied many logs together. 6, 7, 8. Either here you can see 5 logs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces connected this end and this end also connected so that this person can move freely and having much balance. If the number of logs are more, wood is more, then the capacity to hold items or carry luggage also more and the balance is also more. Some raft on the right hand side you can see a big raft. It can carry a car. If it is bigger, it can carry even a truck. Then canoe, small boat, both the sides pointed. Such a small boat is called a canoe. A canoe is generally used by a single person. Maximum, it can carry 5 members. It is paddled. Here you can see one paddle. In Hindi, it is called chapu. Here it is paddle, both the ends. There are different means of transport. One we know already you learned, that is raft, then canoe. This is third one is sailboat. Sail. Sail means this cloth. This is sail. When the force applies on the cloth, it will move according to the force of the wind. Here, another sailboat. The wind will apply its force on the cloth, and according to the direction of the wind, boat will also move. You know, Vasco da Gama came to India from Portugal in 1498. He used such a boat, canoe. If the sail is big, this piece of wood is called a mast. On the mast, this sail is connected. Then tanker, when ship. This tanker is accommodated with so many this oil container. Oil tanks are there. See, this is one oil tank, another tank, another tank. The ship that carry petroleum or crude oil is called tanker ship. Then another type, refrigerated ship. This is meant for exporting and importing perishable item, the item which may destroy or damage very fast, like vegetable, fruit, meat, fish, and milk products. Inside your fridge upper part there is freezer. Same way, in this ship, it is having so many cabins, having very low temperature. There they pack different perishable items so that it may not destroy. Then passenger ships, huge one. It is very huge. One or two more can be accommodated in one ship. It is just like a multi-storied building. All facilities are there. People from Europe and America, they make holidays, especially New York to London. People move. along this Atlantic Ocean. The ticket fare is very high, almost 5 lakh rupees for a person for a 1 week tour. 24 hours the food is available, served, all types of food, 5-star type. Then different types of game to entertain children. There are comedians, they are teachers to clear the doubt. All facilities are available in a passenger ship. Passenger ship is not meant for traveling from one place to another. Generally, people nowadays travel by ship for pleasure, for enjoyment, holidays, huge one. If you start visiting one end to another, you cannot complete within a week. Such rooms are there, different halls, everything. Children attend online classes while having their tour. It's an inner view. The previous class you learned about luxurious trains in India, like Palace on Wheels, Maharaja's Express. More than this, the inner view of this ship. See, beautiful. This is the dining hall, 5-star facility. The capacity of passengers is more than 5,000. Some ships can carry more than 10,000 passengers. Submarine. Below the surface of ocean water, submarines move. Huge one. It will travel below the ocean water, below almost a half a kilometer or even 1 kilometer down in the ocean. It will travel. Submarines. Generally, submarines are used by Navy or defense people. See the one is displayed on the surface on the land. It is about to be put in the water, about to have its service in ocean. Important points. Perishable items like fruits, vegetable, meat, fish, dairy products are transported through refrigerated ships. Waterways are the cheapest means of transport. Then some rivers which are used for transportation is called Ganga and Brahmaputra in India. See, the biggest luxurious tourist ship in the world, Queen Mary. This is a Queen Mary, you can see. This is the most luxurious ship in the world. Another company is Cruise Corporation. Okay, thank you. We will continue the next class.